Hello and welcome back to Kids Coding Playground. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your text look more attractive and pop out in your games and projects. So if you click the green flag, you see how it pops out in the beginning, and when you hover your mouse over it, it gets bigger, there's a ghost effect, it looks really nice. So we're going to do this in this tutorial. You can put this in your projects and games to make your games look 10 times better. Alright, so next let's start a new project. Alright. First thing, let's get our, I have my text sprite from my backpack, so I'm going to find that real quick. Alright, here it is, text sprite. So next, we're going to work on the code, alright? So first, we're going to drag the one green flag clicked. I'm going to say go to the middle, it doesn't really matter, but say go to 0, 0. And then we're going to say set the size to 0%. So the reason why I'm setting the size to 0% in the beginning is because, as you can see in the previous clip, I'll play the clip right now, so you can see how it kind of pops out in the beginning. So that's kind of the effect I want to achieve. So we're going to start out really small, and then it's going to pop out when you start the game. So let's set the size to 0%. All right, and then let's get a forever loop. Forever, we're going to get an if-else statement. So if we're going to get the sensing touching mouse pointer. So if it's touching the mouse pointer, then we're going to change size. Say change size by, we're going to get the division. So these are just some numbers I just kind of tweaked. So we're going to say, take the subtraction here. So we're going to say 120 minus the size. 120 minus the size right here. And then we're going to divide that by 3. So these are just kind of some numbers I tweaked, and I found out these made it look the best, so I just chose these numbers. And then we're going to set the ghost effect to 30. Say set ghost effect. Set ghost effect. Say set ghost effect to 30. Alright, so set ghost effect to 30 when you hover the mouse over it. Else, we're going to make it go back and shrink. You just duplicate this. Say change size by 100 minus size divided by 3. This is just numbers I found that were perfect. And then we're going to set the ghost effect to -10. So it's going to kind of unghost effect there. So let's play the project now. So we have our text. As you can see, it kind of popped out right there. Hover the mouse over it. It's going to get big and then small. Big and then small. And then there's the ghost effect. So yeah, that's pretty much how you make awesome text pop out in your games and projects on Scratch. You can put this in all your projects and games if you want with a simple script. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you did learn something new in this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.